Hi guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. Just another short video here. So today we're going to be looking at the another low mintage coin, which is the 2011 10-cent coin. And here it is here. These are all circulated coins, all found in circulation. And these ones here I don't have that much trouble finding, which is nice. But certainly one to keep an eye out for. So 2011's got the lyrebird there on the back there. It's quite a nice coin. It's always a nice little surprise when you do find a 2011. So this is a low mintage coin, as I said. All these ones were found in circulation, and here we have some of the mintages over the years from 99 through to 2015 in this particular book. There are obviously, where is it, the 2011, which is 1.75 million. So that's very low compared to the other ones around it, and certainly will be one that will be of value and will continue to go up in value as the years go by. So the recent sort of sales of these guys here, around the $5 or $6 each, depending on condition, but I have seen them selling for $9 or $10. So yeah, these were known to be low mintage very quickly, and they certainly have held that price for a number of years now. So it's certainly been one to look out for, and one that you will need to have and find or buy if you can find them. But certainly you'll need one for your collection, so if you're collecting 10-cent coins. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and look forward to bringing you another low mintage coin soon.